Howdy. Today, I'm gonna go out and try to kill a deer with my 10 millimeter. There's 2 more days left to the season and I have 1 doe tag to fill. I do not feel like sitting in a tree stand. I just got back from Maine and I was walking and having more fun than sitting in a tree stand. I like being on the ground and moving about. I'm gonna try to kill a doe with my handgun. I got a Sig Sauer 10 millimeter and an Alien Gear chest holster here. I've never killed a deer before with my handgun, so it's gonna be tough. Handguns are super tough to shoot, so this deer is gonna have to be pretty close. I got a pretty hard hitting round. It's actually like more of a bear defense round, but it definitely should do the trick with a whitetail. Buffalo boar, I think it's like 220 grain or something like that. They're big and they're made for like max penetration, bone breaking, ultimate trauma. We'll see what we can get into. You might ask, how am I gonna capture this? Well, right here, a dorky GoPro head mount. I gotta do it, all right? I hope this thing's angled the right direction, but you guys don't have to worry about that, all right? You just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I feel naked, like literally just like, what do I do with my hands? I don't have like a long gun to hold, just literally walking in the woods. I got my license and I don't even have a headlamp or anything. Just gonna go for a stroll. I've been walking for a bit, not found any tracks yet. Let it be known that I'm gonna shoot any doe because, well, I'm making this hard enough, so. Looking for a doe, any doe will do. It's so weird because there's snow and I can fully track one right now, but it's gonna be so weird just like following essentially the freshest track. Like I don't want to be following a buck right now. It's weird. It goes against everything that I know. All right, here's where I was standing, and I shot at the doe right there behind that tree. That's literally probably about 20 yards. Darn. Go double check the hit side here. Guys, I've got a bunch of hair here. Jeez, I'm crow. White hair. That's not good. It is. Bunch of white hair. Hopefully I just grazed it. White hair is not good. I really hope I just grazed this thing. Only thing that I'm seeing is white hair. So white, under the belly or in the neck. Or, possibly low leg, but I'm just seeing white hair, no blood. I'm gonna get on these exact jump tracks and follow until I can 100% confirm that this deer's not wounded or downed. All right, there's zero blood so far. Just that hair at the hit site. I think I just grazed its brisket or its neck. I'm almost positive I just gave it a haircut, but I'm gonna keep going on it just to confirm. All right, confirmed, no hit, just hair, just a graze. There's zero blood, so I feel good. Well, I'm embarrassed. All that practice for nothing. I still suck at shooting pistols. It was still a pretty cool experience. I have no clue why those deer were running at me. It's a little bit later in the morning, so maybe another hunter got down from the stand and kicked him up, or maybe a buck was chasing him. I don't know. So now I got this shotgun in tote. Not nearly as fun as having just my pistol, but I'm gonna keep it as backup. If I see one today that's out of range, so anything outside of 5 yards, the shotgun's gonna get it.